Good morning, friends. It's Mrs. B here. We're here to do our SRS, and today we are going to be doing the SRS for lesson 103. We are already on lesson 103, and Mrs. B is going to write in green today. We are so close to Christmas. So exciting. My kids have a countdown calendar at home. Do you guys have one? It's kind of neat to see how close we are and all the different things that happen. So again, today is Wednesday, December 16th. Okay. And 2020. See if I can write my 2020 better than yesterday since I had to erase. Okay, next to the rectangle, I want you to write the letter A. A, apple, A. Then I want you to write the letter F. F, fish. Then I would like for you to write the letter M. M, man, And the last one in this line, I would like for you to write the letter V. V, van, V. Now I want you to go by sound. Our first sound is CH. It's ch, and I gave it away. It's CH. Ch. The next one is F. That one's a hard one to hear. F, fish. Eh, E, edge, And the last one, another hard one to hear. Or TH. Remember, the difference between that V is that that's a lip tickler. Your teeth go on your bottom lip and it makes the sound. The TH, when it makes its voiced like this, it's going to sit, your teeth are going to sit on your tongue and it's going to be a tongue tickler, unlike the V, which is a lip tickler. All right, next is our keywords next to the square. What letter goes with the keyword van? V, van, V. What goes with the keyword thumb? TH, thumb. What goes with the keyword chair? CH, chair, ch. And what goes with the keyword queen? QU, queen, qua. Next, our triangle, we are going to again be listening for the last sounds that we hear. So when we're tapping, it's what our tall guy taps, because all of the words Mrs. B gives us right now have only 3 sounds. So the first one is van, van, v, a, n. What did tall guy tap? In, nest, The last sound in van is What is the last sound you hear in bed? Bed. B, e, d. D, D, dogged. It's a little bit of a messy D. The next one, what is the last sound we hear in rot? Rot. R, t, T. That tall guy says T. And the last one on the triangle line, what is the last sound? This one's a tricky one, so really think about our rules that we've been learning lately. Hill, hill, ill. If you said one L, you're close, but not quite there, because we have to follow our floss rule, which means we need how many L's? 2. LL, hill, ol. All right, our sound for today is WH, WH, whistle, w. It's a question word. Who, what, where, when, why, and which. Where is the whale? Where is the whale? W-H, wah, wah, wah. If you need to, feel free to pause the video. But we are going to go ahead and flip it like a pancake and go over to our words to spell. And our first word that I want you to spell is whip. I like to whip my cream to make it into whipped cream. Whip. Well, we know it's going to start with that W-H. I, P, whip. The next one is whiz. You are a whiz at computers. That means you're super smart with computers. Whiz. W-H, I, Z. The next one I have is whop. Whop. Little Bunny Foo Foo, when he went through this forest, he was bopping kids. He gave them a big whop. W-H, O, ah, P, whop. That's a little messy right there in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that part and rewrite it. That H and that O were just a little bit too close for Mrs. B. Whop. And my last one, this is also a sight word, so we should definitely know how to spell it. When. When we return to school, we will get to do all of our fun stuff. When. When. Okay, our sight word for today is make. Make. M-A-K-E, make. Now, this is a sight word for us right now, but at the end of our year, we will have been learning enough to know that this is a magic E that actually comes across this consonant and makes this A say her name. So, make. So eventually this will be a word we can sound out, but right now in kindergarten, this is not a sound outable word. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Cover them up. All right. Spell make for me. M-A-K-E. Make. Oh, messy A's. Mrs. B got wild. The next word I want you to write is sum. We did that the past 2 days. S-O-M-E, sum. And our last memory word, her. H-E-R, her. E-R-R, E-R-R. At the end of a word, at the end of a word. We're going to write cops over here to the side. And remember, just like police officers and cops do in real life to remind us of our rules, that's why we write it over the side. It helps us remember our writing rules. Our sentence today is, which hat do you like? Which hat do you like? Let's count those words. Which hat do you like? Ooh, 5 words. Excuse me. First word is which. It's one of our WH question words. W-H, I, ch. What says ch? C-H. W-H-I-C-H. Which hat, let's sound that one out, finger space. A, t, hat, do, that's one of our sight words. D-O, do I don't have any more room on this line, so I'm going to go down to the next line. You. That's one of our sight words, Y-O-U. And our last one is a sight word also, like. L-I-K-E, like. Which hat do you like? Now remember, which up here is a question word. Wonder what that's going to mean for here. Remember, my 3 choices for punctuation are a period, a question mark, and an exclamation point. Which hat do you like? Am I telling you? No. Am I yelling it? No. I am asking it. So I need to put a question mark, curve around, back around, straight down. I need to put a question mark. That's a messy question mark, Mrs. B. All right. There we go. That's much better. Which hat do you like? So let's check our cops. Capital? Yep. Are they in order? Which hat do you like? Absolutely. Do I have punctuation? Yes. I used all 3 of them and figured out which one was the best for this sentence. And the sentence is an asking sentence, so it needed a question mark. So it has punctuation. And does it make sense? So if you were at a store shopping for a hat and you looked at somebody and said, which hat do you like? Does that make sense? Absolutely. You're trying to get somebody's opinion. All right, friends, that's it for our SRS today. I will see you later.